Good morning, y'all. Good morning. Happy, y'all know me in days, please. Anywho, y'all, listen. So I'm feeling way better than I was yesterday. As time goes on, I'm getting better and better. Royalty, a little bit better. She still has a cough. But baby, I want to get straight to the facts. I'm not a person who often watches the Grammys. I don't watch the Oscars neither. Sometimes I watch the BET Awards. Not all the time, because music just turned to foolishness now. But listen here. First of all, I want to talk about a few people. First, I got to talk about my girl, Shensia, the princess. Yes. Did you see what she had on? She looks so pretty. The dress was so nice. It fit her in all the right places. She came to slay. She didn't come to play. She didn't come to stand up next to nobody. She ain't come for competition. There is no competition. Did you see how beautiful she looked? She looked so beautiful. I loved what she had on. The yellow gold detail, just everything about it. I just loved all of it, as you could see. Also, I liked what Vybz Kartel had on. Really nice too. I like the color royal blue. It just gives royalty. It gives luxury. It gives wealthy. It gives... Yeah, I belong here. That's what it's given. I belong here. I personally don't have no issues with Sadeem. I don't know the girl to have any issue with her. Let's be clear. But I feel like when you're going to step out as a couple, y'all have to compliment each other. What y'all have on has to compliment. We are talking about the Grammys. That is like gala attire, like top tier. I feel like she just came with a simple dress that looked like something you could go to get at H&M for $9.99, throwing some skippies or some cute sandals, a little denim jacket during the spring, and call it a day. I didn't feel like there was no like real thought into what she was going to wear. And then again, maybe that's just what she wanted to wear, and she wanted to keep it cute and simple and just not do too much. But this is the Grammys. Kartel was locked up for over a decade. He's just stepping back into America. Like, you gotta set... You have to leave a print. You have to come here. You have to slay. You have to let people know, listen, you got to give people something to talk about every single day. Like, they won't forget about it. Next year, they'll be like, oh, remember what Vybz Kartel and Sadeem, what they had on? Nobody's going to remember that. I ain't really like that. I ain't like the outfit. I didn't like it. I didn't like it. That's my opinion. Oh, how could I forget? Now, listen to me. You know who you are going to be talking about for a long time? Miss Bianca. I don't even have to say her husband's name, because just from I say Miss Bianca, y'all already know who I'm talking about. Lady of the day, lady of the hour, the second. She stole the Grammys, and she's not even an artist. At least not in that type of way. Because she's into fashion and she's into all of that. Baby girl came the same way she was birthed. She just let it be. And for some reason, I don't know why I love it, but I love it because I'm a person who, if I do get really, really dressed up, not that I necessarily like to, it's not about showing my body, but I feel more comfortable with less clothes on, if that makes sense, in a very classy way. Now, she just went, I'm not saying what she did was classless, and I'm not saying it was classy, but for some reason, I love it. Like, it was so, listen, she left a print because everybody's talking about it. She left the print. The pose her and Kanye did on the carpet. I don't know. I just loved everything about it. I don't know why. But I am going to say this. She do give me Kim K vibes. She always did anyway. She always did. And when you see a person with one person and then they break up and then they go with another person and the person looks like the person they was just with, I always feel like that's only because you have a type. And usually people who have a type, they're the people that they choose to be with kind of has similarities and kind of favor each other in certain things, whether it's how they dress, how they look, features, facial features. So I just feel like he has a type. I don't feel like, oh, he went out and he was looking for a girl who looked like Kim, or I just think he has a type. I think she looked beautiful. I think her tan looked beautiful. I think her body was on point. It was on point to me. I mean, it was nothing to really judge besides her body. It was nothing to really critique. But it was, with the black fur. I love a good fur. I love a fur. With the fur, though, I was like, yes. Yeah, so I don't have really nothing bad to say about it, but she definitely came to leave you with something. Even if it was nothing, she came and she left you with a whole lot. Nobody was expecting that at all. And I also enjoyed watching Kai Cenat. He's so strategic and I just love the way how he operates and how he networks and how he does things. And I'm really, really proud of my young black people. I really, really am. Because they are doing a thing. This whole social media thing, they have taken full control. And I'm not mad at them at all. They are getting a coin. They are getting to the bag. They are standing on business. And at the end of the day, that's what it's about. I did see Cardi B, but to me, Cardi B changed a lot. Not so much her personality and stuff, but I love Cardi B. I love her music. But she changed a lot. I don't really gravitate to her as much as I used to. I believe I did see my girl Lotto. That's my boo. I saw Lotto. Shout out to Big Mama. She looked really pretty. I saw Will Smith. Will Smith looked nice. But the person that takes the cake for me as far as outfits is Shenseea. Top notch. She was standing on business. She represented Jamaica very well. Only thing I did not like when it came to Shenseea, it was two reporters. I don't even remember her name. But it was two reporters. And once they finished done talking to Shenseea, they were like, yeah, so we just finished talking to Shania. I'm like, Shania? And they wouldn't even have the decency and respect to come back after commercial and say, you know what, you guys, I got her name wrong, and respectfully I want to let you guys know it was not, I pronounced it wrong. It wasn't Shania, it was actually Shenseea. No, they just went on like nothing, like they said her name correctly. I ain't like that. I'm gonna put some respect on Shenseea. Yeah, so, but other than that, I just wanted to give my input. Since everybody has 2 cents to put in, I just wanted to put in my 5 cents and let y'all know how I felt about the Grammys. Yeah, that was it. I didn't actually watch the Grammy show. I guess you could say I watched the red carpet. And yeah, so, but that's my input. And make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like, share, comment below. And stay tuned to the next video.